Hey, so there's a couple of things, especially when we're talking about structuring your business as an agent, and when we look at getting everything together as you want money to flow in as a realtor. One big thing is to have one account for you as a real estate agent. This could be a business owner as well. You don't want those funds, if that's a commission check, or any type of check that comes into your business coming into your personal account, because it gets very convoluted and you don't have the ability to track down and check what your income is, because you'll have multiple things, multiple streams of income coming into that. You may have a spouse that's bringing in money to that personal account too, or friends are paying you, Venmo, any other type of platform, Cash App, you name it, and it's coming into your account. So you can't really track the profit and also the expenses through your business. So that's one thing that you really need to, as a business owner, look at a 30,000 foot view when you go through your books each month. And it doesn't have to be you. You can have an accountant set this up, but you want to make sure it's going into one account and it's distributed into, a checking and a savings account. So you're paying all your business expenses through there. You can have a business credit card and then you're paying that credit card through that account. But one thing to be, specific on, right when you start that agency, or right when you start your LLC or S-CORP, you got to talk to your tax professional on which one's going to be best for you. But if you start that S-CORP, that's ultimately what I do. Is if I have an S-CORP, and then I take that name and I go to the bank and I give them, all the information that they need, and then they set me up a business account, and then each check is written to that specific business. And then from there, I pay all my expenses, I take drafts out, or I ultimately pay myself, depending on, how you're supposed to do it through your account. Once again, make sure that you're working with your CPA and you're following the guidelines so you don't get taxed heavily on it. But that's ultimately how you make sure that it is crystal clear when it comes to tax time, what you can write off, what your business expenses are, what you can look at going on to the next year, and how your business has grown from the first year to the second year to the fifth year to the 10th year. You can go track that as well. So, or you could say, this marketing tool that I'm using isn't working because I've used it for 14 months and I haven't had a specific lead closed. So I got to try something else. And that's really what gives you that trend and traction to say this works perfect, or this is, something that's trash and I need to, continue to move on and do some other marketing tactics, or, these expenses seem to be piling up. Maybe take these off the plate and go do something else to make your business more money. So something to make it more crystal clear to that accountant and your CPA and you when it comes to each month looking at your P&L sheets.